Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick but incredibly useful feature in TradingView, how to enable or disable auto refresh in the TradingView screener. If you ever felt like your screener wasn't updating in real time, or on the flip side, you wanted to save bandwidth and resources by pausing the live updates, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to control screener auto refresh so you can tailor your experience to your own trading style. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First things first, let's head over to TradingView. If you're not already there, simply open up your browser and navigate to TradingView.com. Give the website a second to load up. Depending on your connection, this might take a moment, so don't worry. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar TradingView interface, packed with so many tools and features for traders and investors. Next, look towards the top of the page for the Products option. It's usually right up there in the main menu. Go ahead and click on Products. This brings up a drop-down list of everything TradingView offers, but today we're zeroing in on the screeners. Now you might notice the list can get a little long, but just head towards the bottom right corner of the drop-down. That's where you'll find screeners. Click on that and you'll be taken straight to the screener section. Once the screener loads up, you'll notice a ton of useful information, all the stocks or cryptos you're tracking, real-time data, and plenty of ways to filter or sort the results. But let's focus on adjusting the refresh settings. Look towards the top right area of the screener panel. It can be easy to overlook if you're new to TradingView, but it's right up there. You'll see a refresh button. That icon lets you manually refresh your data on command, but we want to make this process automatic, or turn it off if you prefer. Now, right beside that refresh button, there's a little settings icon. Think of this like the control panel for how you want your screener to work. Go ahead and click on that icon. This opens up a small menu with the auto refresh options. Here, where the magic happens, you'll see a few choices. You can disable auto refresh entirely, which is useful if you want to save bandwidth, maybe if you're on a mobile hotspot or just prefer to review data at your own pace. Or if you want to keep everything up to the minute and don't want to miss any market moves, you can set auto refresh to update every 10 seconds or every 60 seconds, just a minute between updates. Now making the change is super easy. Simply click on the option that works best for you. If you set it to auto refresh, TradingView will automatically update your screener, no extra work required. If you prefer to turn it off, you'll just need to hit refresh manually whenever you want the latest data. It really just comes down to your personal preference and workflow. For some traders, rapid updates every 10 seconds are a must. For others, a slower pace or manual updates work just fine. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to enable or disable auto refresh in your TradingView screener. Hopefully, this small tweak helps you manage your data just how you like it and makes your TradingView experience that much smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides like this one. Got questions or run into any issues? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.